Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make these delicious roasted garlic Parmesan potatoes. These are so addictively delicious and they'll make a perfect side for the holidays. Let's get started. We're using 4 large gold potatoes for this recipe. We're going to start by cutting each potato into cubes. Make sure the cubes are about ½ inch thick, just like these. Once you cut up all the potatoes, transfer into a large bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, season with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, salt and black pepper to taste, and last we're adding grated Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Once everything is mixed in, grab a baking sheet, then spray with nonstick spray. Pour the potatoes into the baking sheet, then arrange them in a single layer. Make sure you space them out, that way they can get nice and crispy when they bake. Next, randomly toss in some cut up unsalted butter. The butter is going to make the potatoes extra crispy and buttery. Make sure your oven is preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the potatoes into the oven to bake for 20 minutes. After the potatoes have baked for 20 minutes, take them out of the oven, then toss them with a spatula. Once tossed, arrange them in a single layer, then place them into the oven to bake for another 20 minutes. Next, you're going to take the potatoes out, toss them again with a spatula, then place them into the oven to bake for 10 more minutes. So in total, we're baking the potatoes for 50 minutes. Here are the potatoes when they're done roasting. These are going to make your home smell so good. They are so very flavorful. I'm garnishing with some fresh parsley and a sprinkle of sea salt. These garlic Parmesan roasted potatoes came out so good. They're crispy on the outside and buttery soft on the inside. This recipe will be a great side dish to add to your holiday menu. If you want the ingredients and measurements, check the description box.